Hi, my name is Richard, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about Nail Defender before actually buying the product. I also have really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Nail Defender supplement is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because this product is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video and also fixed in the comments. So what is Nail Defender and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, really works. Nail Defender is a specialized nail treatment designed to strengthen, protect, and restore damaged or unhealthy nails. Formulated with a powerful blend of natural antifungal agents, essential vitamins, and hydrating ingredients, it provides a comprehensive solution for those struggling with brittle, discolored, or slow-growing nails. Unlike traditional nail products that only offer temporary improvements, Nail Defender works at the root level, addressing underlying causes such as fungal infections, dryness, and structural weakness. This innovative formula is ideal for individuals dealing with nail problems caused by frequent exposure to moisture, harsh chemicals, or fungal infections. Whether your nails have become weak from excessive use of nail polish, artificial nails, or environmental factors, Nail Defender helps repair damage while promoting healthier, stronger growth. Nail Defender's easy-to-use application ensures that the nutrients penetrate deep into the nail bed and cuticles, delivering long-lasting benefits. By creating a protective barrier against external elements, it helps prevent further damage, keeping nails resilient and well-nourished. Regular use can result in visibly improved nail texture, reduced brittleness, and enhanced overall nail health. For best results, the recommended is the purchase of at least 3 bottles. My personal recommendation is the purchase of 6 bottles, which comes with a big discount. Do not lose more money with expensive products that do not give any results. Make a test with Nail Defender and see the fastest and easiest results of your life. Remember that buying on the official website below, you will have 180 days to use Nail Defender 100% safely, without risks. Thank you for watching this video to the end, and if you still have questions, the best place to understand more about is on the official page. Click the link below.